Welcome to our channel where we make managing your finances easy and straightforward. If you've recently received your Citi Costco card and are wondering how to activate it quickly and effortlessly, you've come to the right place. Activating your card is an essential step before you can start enjoying all the benefits and rewards it offers. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can be using your card in no time. First, locate your Citi Costco card activation sticker. This usually has a phone number or a website link specifically for card activation. If you can't find a sticker, check the cardholder agreements or any welcome pack that came with your card. Next, you can activate your card in one of two convenient ways, by phone or online. To activate by phone, dial the number provided on your activation sticker. Prepare to verify your identity by providing your card number, date of birth, and possibly the last 4 digits of your social security number. Follow the automated prompts carefully, and once your information is validated, your card will be activated. Alternatively, for online activation, visit the official Citi Costco card activation webpage. Enter all requested details accurately, including your card number, security code, and personal information to confirm your identity. Once submitted, you should receive confirmation on that page indicating your card is active and ready for use. It's important to note that activation is usually instant, but in rare cases, it may take a few minutes to process. After activation, sign the back of your card for security. Remember also to set up your online account for managing your card, checking your balance, and reviewing your statements. Doing so enhances your control over your finances and helps you track rewards. Now that your Citi Costco card is activated, you can start using it at Costco stores or anywhere this card is accepted to take full advantage of the rewards program and benefits. Don't forget to keep your card details safe and report any suspicious activity to Citi immediately. By following these simple steps, you've ensured seamless access to your Citi Costco card's features. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to manage your finances like a pro. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support us. Your engagement helps us create more useful content for you every day.